All right, so the fun continues. It's time for Fun Stop. What we will be doing this morning is to create words from the stack of alphabetical squares surrounding various themes. Now, the first theme is back to school. We have 4 seconds to arrange as
4 seconds?
as many words as possible, and we can duplicate the words. We can't. For each word, we have to ring the bell and say which word we came up with. The presenter with the most words wins.
So, Neville, not 4. 1, 2, you can't scramble in 4.
Not me said that.
40 seconds.
Not
I
me
think they
said
made
that.
a mistake. All right,
Ready?
so, wait, what was the first thing we're going to do? We got to put them scrambling. All right, what's the first thing?
So you never hear nothing, let me just say
Yeah,
that.
but remind me, because I was thinking about the 4 seconds. It's not going to work.
Back to school.
Back to school.
Yep.
All right, back to school. Back to school. Got my word. Done. Win. Done. Back to school.
Game.
I mean, this is back to school?
Game.
This is holiday or back to school?
It's a back to school. Lunch.
Oh, wait. No, back to school. You play games at school. I won.
When you have lunch at school.
Well, I didn't ring the bell, so you win. What? This game is stupid. Start again. Let me take a coffee. It's too early. Go again. So what's the next one? What's the next theme?
Back to school.
Everything is back to school?
No, this segment is back to school.
So we just keep doing the same back to school? Oh my God. I can't find a letter I want. Oh God. Why? Oh, I should have gone to bed early. Why can't I find the letter? Oh my gosh. I've never lost a game. Where's my letter? Oh! Where's my letter? This is wrong.
Is there a reason you hold on to those?
Yeah, because I want to make my word, but I realized the producer
But
not
if you
put
hold
certain
on to it, I
letter.
can't get it.
What is? What is? How are you with the? What kind of food in this? Not even a letter them I can't find. Lunch! Lunchtime!
Oh, so you never hear say you can't duplicate the word. Class. Or you didn't hear?
Tell me the rules again. So again, this game is boring.
What's the next one?
Same
All right,
thing.
it's a wedding theme now.
No, same school.
Oh, all right.
Look. This game is like school. Boring! I get a point. I get a point, right? I already, no, I got.
Book.
No, boring. Why you take my O?
The next one now is wedding.
Hold on. Producer, weddings?
Yeah.
All right. Wedding theme. You never been married. You married
Up to you.
before?
Up to this one, man. How men end up in weddings?
Men, because the man names, the groom's men, men. In wedding, every wedding has man and men.
Yeah.
Congregation.
All right.
Right, okay, but win. What you have? You can't even get
You
what?
take what you eat from me.
More at a wedding?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, God. I can't find the letter then. It's on my... Oh, I got it. Gown! Wedding gown! What? My win? What next? Wedding still?
Wedding still.
Long. Okay. Play play the game, no man.
She won't give me a chance. Every time I move, you push me away.
Oh my God. All right, go.
You push me away every time.
I hear you giving him words, you know,
She's
and
not
disgusting.
giving me
Hear the produce. No, ring. No, I quit.
What? You know,
I'm
say you
going
get
to
about
call
6 and
FIFA
I don't
on
say
you.
nothing. And I get one of your
I'm
quit.
going to call him. I hear the producer hearing. Give never the word kid. Give never. Wanna bias.
The producer
This is
say
the
what?
problem in this country. A man always get away with all kind of things, and women are the problem, like the producer. I tell, give never the word kid. Anyway, may I go again? Open the letter, then, man. I'm not. This segment not done without me winning, you know.
You know, win already. I give up, you know, you win already.
No. Hey. Pasta. Look at JLP, I go win the election, you know. Beer bell are ringing there today. Don't it?
No, man.
Okay, next theme.
Yeah,
No, it's not. Because
you
they
win.
already gave you the word. Me don't want to ring the bell because they're going to send me a JLP, shower. Give me a next thing for do when me win.
You done?
I love this show. What's next?
TVJ.
Huh?
TVJ.
What?
The
That's the
theme is
theme?
TVJ.
Oh, TVJ? Wait.
All right.
All right. Come to man.
No, every time I call
Oh,
you,
you're
push me.
such a sore sport. You gotta learn how to play, Baba. You cannot walk away in the game, Baba.
Okay, every time I go see you push me, so you
I
want me to.
push you?
Yeah.
Don't say that because
But
I
you did.
don't say that on television. I did not violate